blizzard warning from 6 a.m. Friday to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Locations, eastern and southeastern Massachusetts, including Boston and Boston metro area, all of Rhode Island including Block Island. Hazard types, heavy snow, blowing and drifting at times, quarter-mile visibilities, and winds gusting in excess of 30 miles per hour. Accumulations, snow accumulation of 18 to 24 inches. Timing, light snow will develop by Friday morning, becoming heavy late in the day into the evening commute. The heaviest of snowfall, especially focus along the Interstate 95 corridor, will fall Friday night into Saturday. Impacts, blizzard conditions and dangerous travel. Whiteout conditions are anticipated as roads become snow-covered by the Friday evening commute. Strong north-northeast winds are anticipated with gusts up to around 60 miles per hour, resulting in blowing and drifting of snow. Damage to trees and structures along with scattered power outages are anticipated. Winds northeast 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Temperatures in the mid-20s. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds or frequent gusts over 35 miles per hour are expected with considerable falling and slash or blowing and drifting snow. Visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times. Those venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so persons in the warning area are advised to stay indoors.